Welcome to the training video for Foreign Manpower Management Division officers. In this video, we shall learn more about the use of force doctrine for enforcement officers. The use of force doctrine guides enforcement officers on the use of force in their duties, principles, legal requirements, and operational considerations. There are three main principles governing the use of force. First, officers shall only use force to defend against physical threats or to protect others from harm. Second, officers shall use force legally and in accordance with the exercise of powers outlined in the various acts empowered to them. Third, the use of force must be proportionate to the perceived threat. No more force than necessary shall be used on the subject. Armed tactics involve the use of the retractable baton to apply force. The baton is a versatile tool with defensive and immobilizing capabilities. The baton shall be used with the non-lethal intention and manner to enable officers to protect themselves against aggressive subjects. The baton can be deployed using the strong hand of the officer, upwards or downwards. A downward strike from the strong side of the officer to the support side of the officer, targeting at the thigh of the subject. The contact point of the baton shall be the last 2 to 3 inches of the long extended portion of the baton. If officers assess it to be beyond their capabilities to arrest the subject without using excessive force that might cause severe injury to either the subject or themselves, they may retreat to a safe position and seek police reinforcements. If at any time danger is imminent and there is no time to retreat to a safe position, officers shall use necessary force, unarmed or armed tactics, to defend himself or other persons against the subject. Officers should maintain a reasonable safe distance between themselves and their subjects at all times to prevent surprise attacks. For example, when asking for passes, officers should maintain a reasonable distance while the subject is reaching into their bag, wallet, or even pocket, and re-engage when there is no threat. When confronted with a surprise attack, officers need to utilize the distance gained from executing a rear diagonal step to move away from the line of attack and draw their batons. This is necessary to defend himself or other persons from hurt. If the officers assess that the subject is likely to cause harm, they shall retreat to a safe position and alert members of the public to stay away from the subject, as the subject may pose a safety threat to people around him. The use of force doctrine lays out principles that shall be applied when enforcement officers are required to use the appropriate force in different situations. It shall be based on the legal parameters and established principles, and the officers need to be ready to deploy that option in a timely manner.